We can all agree that stained headlights are a bad look for the appearance of your car. But I want you to think about something that many people don't really keep in consideration and could actually be the difference between life and death for you or someone else. Having foggy lights decreases your ability to see the road at night by as much as 90%, which means the risk of you being in an accident is also as high, and therefore, the odds of you being at fault. This also could mean that your insurance company may not pay for any damages to your vehicle or anyone else's, and that includes medical bills. So now you understand the need of taking the maintenance of your vehicle so serious. Text me a picture of your headlights. Call me right now to get a quote and to set up an appointment. We come to you and work with your schedule to make sure you can take care of this critical safety feature as soon as possible. Save yourself hundreds of dollars and avoid putting your life and the life of someone else in danger.